When you can't change the direction of the wind, adjust your sails. What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I am going to review a mini web series on Eros. Thoda Adjust Please. A unique romantic comedy involves two pairs. So let's review the first pair. Jay is struggling for the past 2 years and looking for the job, and he's into modeling and movies, and he's hoping for a miracle to happen. And he is always being pampered by his friend Pandey, who just always lure him that there is a role coming, but there is no role for the past 2 years. Whereas Isha, who is living with him, and she has always been supportive, and she just wanted to keep this chemistry between them during these struggling moments, because finances are always very big hurdle when you are struggling. So she said that we have a huge apartment, and why not we split our expenses with a paying guest. So they post an ad, and they have plenty of people, but they are reluctant to have them there because they are more about like the urban guys, those who just like to be bossy. But there comes another couple, Gauri and Radhe. So Radhe Sham Chaurasia, a very typical desi name, and who loves sand. And whereas Gauri comes to the city because she is sent by her parents to do something, and there is a watchman who is always with her, and that's Radhe. They are now in their apartment. Finally, they got it. But it is our human nature that sometimes we are reluctant, or we are hesitant to let other people be in our that circle. So there are a lot of changes they have to adjust. So that is all about thoda adjust please. From rent to everything in the house, from groceries, toilet, and all these things they have to discuss, and you will really like it. But moreover, I think that they have shown here that when you are struggling in the cities, and especially you are from other places, how you have to be helpful. So here you will see that Isha has always been supporting Gauri also. Now they are opening up more about themselves, that who they are, what their ambitions are for their life here in the city. So Gauri is artist, whereas Radhe just wanted to sit back, relax, and just to watch what Gauri is doing. That is his job. Now Jay is always supporting Radhe, that why don't you just find some work? And he said that is what I will like. But finally, you will see that he will get a job in an NGO, and he is always helping Jay with his photo shoot and whatever his dreams are. But you will see that there is Pandey, a character who comes, and you will see later what happens, why Pandey creates a little havoc in the house, and how the relationship will change between Jay and Pandey. So that is a part of the story. There is another person who will invade in their territory, and that is the turning point. And I hope you will really enjoy it. It is very good to watch something unique and change and different one, because these are not like your other actors, but it is new. I think then you will really like it, and it's good to have something like soft romantic comedy. So I hope you will like it. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. And before